In today's video, we're going to be unboxing some silver. Now that might not sound very strange for my channel, with it being called 365 Days of Silver, but it might sound a little bit strange for those of you that have watched my last few videos, where I said I wouldn't be buying any more silver for the rest of 2026. And that is because I'm mainly focusing on the stock market and gold. I'm trying to build up my allocations in those two holdings to make it a little bit more level with my silver, because over the last 4, 5, maybe even 6 years now, I've been heavily investing into silver and I really neglected my other investments. So I did announce a few videos back that I wasn't going to be buying any more silver for the rest of this year, and I was only going to be focusing on those two investment vehicles and a little bit of crypto as well. However, we have already gone back on that, and in today's video we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 packages, and 3 of these 4 packages contain silver. So let me explain why. Let me explain what's happened. Now, first of all, I want to say cheers to everyone. Happy Friday. I've just finished my first week at my new job. It's been a really, really nice week. I've settled in nicely with the team, and it's been just a productive week, really. I've finished the week on a positive, and it's nice to actually finish a week and reflect and look back and actually say, I actually really enjoyed that week. I actually really enjoyed learning everything the job has to offer. For the last 3 days of the week, the first 2 days of the week, I was actually training. The last 3 days of the week, I was actually doing the job myself. And yeah, I feel like I've learned quite quickly what I have to do, and I already get that sense of achievement when I finish the day, knowing that I can look back and think, yeah, I've done a good job there. So yeah, I feel really satisfied with how the first week went. But let's get back into it. Now, the reason I've gone back on my no buying silver already, and it's only been probably a couple of weeks since I actually said I wasn't going to be buying any more silver in 2026, is simply because there are too many nice pieces of silver flowing around in the market right now. And these are all pieces that have been poured by members of the community. And we're not going to be unboxing all 4 of these today. We're going to be doing them in separate videos. But the one we're going to be starting with is going to be this one here. Now, the reason we're going to start with this one is because this one has been a long time coming. I've been waiting for this for, it seems like forever, but it's actually in reality only been maybe 3 or 4, maybe even 5 days I've been waiting for this. So considering this came from America all the way across the pond, it's actually arrived really, really quickly. Now, some of you might have actually seen this already because I shared a video of the person that made this for me on my channel a few days ago. But for those of you that haven't, oh, almost cut through the table, let's get straight into it. Now, this is a pourer, like I said, based in America. I've been following his YouTube channel for quite some time now, and it's only fairly recently that I've actually decided to get in contact with him and pick up one of his pieces. And that was after seeing a video from that ASE guy. Now, we'll leave a link to everyone that I mentioned in today's video in the description below, so please head over and give them a follow if you're not already. But that ASE guy, I believe, is a fairly new YouTube channel. If he's not new, I've only recently discovered him, so he's new to me. But he actually approached this person and he asked them to make him a channel bar for his channel. And I will try and get a picture of that to put on the screen so you can have a little look. And after I saw this, I thought it looked really, really good. It's very similar to the design that I have on my channel, with the character with the question mark and the bag over his head sitting on a safe. And I really, really wanted to get a similar design for a channel bar for my channel. So the first thing I did was I reached out to the ASE guy, kind of checking if it was all right with him and asking who actually made it for him. And he sent me in the direction of this person, SGT Stacking. Really, really nice stickers. You can see SGT around the edge. And like I said, I've been following his channel for quite some time now. And I remember seeing some videos when he first started pouring, and it's only recent that I've gone back and re-looked at some of his pours that he's produced recently, and it's incredible to see how quickly and how far he has come. Now, his work is absolutely incredible. Already I can see a COA in here, which is laminated. And all these things, when you're picking up poured silver, I've said this many times in the past when I've opened other pours from other people in the community, but it really does make that extra special difference when you get all of this stuff included. The COA, some stickers. I don't know if that's a note. That might be the invoice. But all these little bits of extras that these people include all adds to the feel when you're opening and unboxing something. So already, really, really nice looking COA. Give that a scan. I'm guessing that takes you straight to his YouTube channel. Like I said, there will be a link in today's video description for everyone that I mentioned in today's video. So head over and drop them a sub if you're not already. But you can see here it says name 365 custom bar. The date it was made was the 7th, 25th of 26. So in reality, that's only about 6 days away. So considering he only made it 6 days ago and it's already in my hand, just goes to show how quickly it arrived. So yeah, massive thank you, my friend, for getting that sent out so quickly and so smooth. It weighs 2.2 ounces of 3/9 fine silver. The mintage, it's not limited. If other people want to pick up one of these, I'm more than happy for them to reach out and grab one. So it's not restricted. There's no limited mintage. And you can see the pour artist is SGT. So yeah, really cool. Loving that COA. I'm going to pop it there. But let's get into what we've all been waiting for. You've all been very patient. I'm going to have another quick sip of my whiskey. I'm not working tomorrow, so making the most of it. But let's get into it. Without any further delay, let's have a look how this looks in the hand. Now, I've seen a picture of this and a video of this, but as we all know, videos and pictures never do silver justice. It's always got to be in your hand to actually fully appreciate it. Now, the lighting's not great. I'm actually filming as the sun's going down, so I'm hoping this is going to come out okay. Got a nice little knot on the top so it doesn't fall out. Oh, I'm so excited. It's so cool it's come in a little bag. It adds to the extra layer of suspense. Oh, it already feels good. Oh, look, it's come out that way. It already feels so good in the hand. It's got a really nice bit of weight to it. Really nice bit of thickness to it as well. I want it to flip the right way. Look at that. What a truly stunning bar. Let me zoom in a little bit. So you can see it says 365 days of silver across the middle. It's got myself sitting on a safe holding 2 bars of silver. And the detail is incredible. You can see there's actually writing on these bars. I believe it said 1 kilo 3/9 fine silver, and it's almost readable. I wonder how readable it would be if I got a magnifying glass onto it. But the fact that you can pretty much tell there's text on those bars is incredible in itself. You can see you've got SGT's logo stamped in the bottom left, 2.2 troy ounces of silver, and it's just come out absolutely amazing. Really, really chuffed with this. Look at that. Just feels so good. So a massive thank you to SGT for making this into a reality. And also a massive thank you to that ASE guy for the inspiration and yeah, really coming up with the design in a way to this bar. So anyone that wants to get a channel bar with a similar theme, reach out to SGT. I know he said he really enjoyed doing this and he did like the idea of maybe doing some more channel bars. He did say in his video that he was going to make his own channel bar as well with a similar style. So yeah, I think that ASE guy has really started a trend. And I think you all agree that it was definitely worth the wait for this piece to arrive from America. And yeah, just an absolutely stunning piece. So this will be added to my poured silver collection. I'm not sure whether I'm going to put this actually in my poured silver backdrop or whether I'm actually going to put it in my desk backdrop. It might be something I actually keep on the desk. But yeah, I'm going to continue playing with this after I finish filming, but over the moon with how it's turned out. Really, really nice. Feels great in the hand. And yeah, really quick turnaround really. From the moment I sent SGT a email with this design, because I came up with a design of the character sitting on the safe with the 365 Days of Silver text, and then he kind of adjusted it and made it so it would work on a bar, and he added the YouTube logo and obviously his stamps and everything else. But yeah, from the moment I sent him an email, it was only a matter of hours, not even days, that he was straight away on the case and working on this. And yeah, really, really pleased with the process. So yeah, thank you very much, my friend. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this bar. The relief is incredible. I know the lighting is not fantastic because we're just using daylight today, but if we do it like that, you can actually see there is some really, really nice high relief on this piece. It's almost like it's 3D, how it pops out of the bar. His feet are actually sitting over the edge of the bar as well, which is really cool. So yeah, just an absolutely stunning channel bar. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Let me know, like I said, what you think in today's comment section below. And stay tuned, because in the next couple of days, I'm going to be unboxing the other pickups that we have in the backdrop of today's video. Now, I also said to Nessie I would show her what this is in the backdrop of the video. It's some ornament that Mrs. 365 likes to have on the table. She said it looked like a huge roll-on deodorant when you can just see the bottom of it in videos. But yeah, it's literally a glass bowl filled with, I don't know, what are they? Apples, are they? Glittery apples. On another mirrored stand thing. God knows what you call that. I hope I don't break it. But yeah, there we go. That's what that is. But yeah, thanks everyone for watching. Hope you have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.